How to withdraw money from Steam account. The first things first is access your Steam software and ensure that you log into your account. Now, if you go ahead and go to into your account details, just simply click on Manage Account, and there's going to be a drop down and head over to Account Details. Then here, this is where your wallet balance will be visible. This is also where you can add funds to your Steam wallet and add a payment method to this account. So for unfortunately, you won't be able to withdraw any funds that you have from your current Steam wallet. But the other thing, or the only thing for you to do so that you can or you will be able to withdraw those amounts that you have from Steam directly to your bank is whether ask from your friends if they would like to purchase a game. So say for example you have enough amount of fund right here and then just choose a specific game on how what your friend would like to purchase and have the money transferred to your bank and buy the game for them. And here you can purchase it via a gift by using your current balance that you have from Steam Wallet. So that's it. That's the only thing that you can do for you to be able to withdraw money or funds from your Steam account.